What is the difference between hot reloading and live reloading in React Native? I'm a bit confused here. When I'm debugging a React Native application, I usually enable both hot reloading and live reloading. I want to know what is the difference between them. Live reloading reloads or refreshes the entire app when a file changes. For example, if you were 4 links deep into your navigation and saved a change, live reloading would restart the app and load the app back to the initial route. Hot reloading only refreshes the files that were changed without losing the state of the app. For example, if you were 4 links deep into your navigation and saved a change to some styling, the state would not change, but the new styles would appear on the page without having to navigate back to the page you are on because you would still be on the same page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.